Hi guys, how are you? There was a massive gas leak in South Korean LG chemical plant in Visakhapatnam. This plant is used to manufacturing plastic component and plastic articles. Okay, these articles are made up of polymers. So the polymers is divided into two parts. First is man-made polymer and second one is natural polymer. Natural polymer is DNA and protein substances that is already present in the body. So this is used for to strengthening the body. So man-made polymers is called synthetic polymer. Synthetic polymer. Okay, so plastic bottle is called synthetic polymer material. This polymer is made up of two types of monomer. One monomer is called styrene. Other monomers also used in this for strengthening and increase the durability and toughness of the plastic materials. Okay, so this styrene gas was leaked last night and early morning, that is called B hours 1 to 4 am. Okay. So this is spread around the 3 kilometer radius that created the chemical destructions in Visakhapatnam. Means this plant is situated at the RRB Puram near Gopalapatnam, about 15 kilometers from the coastal area. So what is styrene? Styrene is the ethyl benzene and also called vinyl benzene. It is an inflammable liquid that is used in the manufacture of polystyrene plastic, fiberglass, pipe, food packaging materials, rubber, insulation, plastic tar, telex, etc. So styrene is an organic compound with the chemical formula C6H5CH11CS2. This derivative of benzene is a colorless oily liquid, okay, that can appear alloys in color. Okay, this gas is stored at minus 20 degrees centigrade, but due to some regions that was leaked in the plant and covered around 3 kilometer area. Yes, smell is sweet smell. Also, high concentration have a less pleasant odor. It is also found in vehicle exhaust and cigarette smoke and in the natural foods like fruits and vegetables. So, exposed to styrene, there is a short-term exposure and long-term exposure. Short-term exposures to the substance can result in irritation in eye, irritation in skin and nose and gastrointestinal effect created in the body. The long term is CNS, that is central nervous system affected, drastically affected the central nervous system and lead to other related problem like peripheral neuropathy, that is weakening the body, weakening the bones. It could also lead to cancer and depression in some cases. Okay, then what is the symptoms of styrene? There is symptoms including headache, hearing loss, smelling loss, weakness, difficulty in concentration, etc. Annual studies according to the Environment Protection Act have reported effects on central nervous system, liver, kidney and eye and major irritations from inhalation exposure to the styrene. Similar, this styrene gas was leaked in Visakhapatnam. Then in past year, one other gas tragedy was happened in Bhopal, that is called Bhopal gas tragedy. In this, massive destruction was happened in Bhopal due to Union Carbide India Limited pesticide plant present in Bhopal. Due to a missile, isocyanide gas was leaked from these plants and created chemical destruction in Bhopal. Over 500,000 people affected due to this. The highly toxic substances made its way into and around the small town located near the plant. Official immediate death toll was 2,259. This destruction also created genetically, so many child nowadays also affected this destruction. So thank you guys.